Hello everyone, in this video I want to share 3 of my latest mobile games and talk a little bit about my plans for the next several months. This first game got rejected by App Store reviewers and also started the investigation of my developer account for whatever reason. I'm not very disappointed with this fact, as this project was not very interesting. It also looks quite funny because of the color of the shots. I could have changed it of course, but I had a good enough laugh when my friends started to make fun of it. Thought it humor, so it stayed. And this next game I didn't even try to publish as I didn't like it myself, mainly because it is unfair to the player. Sometimes lasers are positioned in a way that makes them impossible to dodge. But this last game I really like. Yes, it is another casual game, but it has some points going for it. It allows the player to take more risk and get more reward when you hit several blocks at once. Also because the ball forward movement is physics based, fallen blocks may sometimes increase the speed of it if they hit the ball at the right angle. These little things, as well as random colors and random blocks position, add depth to this simple game. I didn't expect it to pass the review, and unfortunately it didn't, which is really disappointing because I think it is a good game and could have gotten decent CPI and retention. But of course, sometime in the past a game with similar mechanics was made. I asked reviewers if they could provide a link to it, so I could compare and change my game, and as expected they didn't share it. So not only do I have to make a hit, the idea has to be never seen before, and I can't know this before the publishing process. There's no way that I will be able to find existing games with similar features unless they are in the top charts. And now a few words about my future. Yesterday, before going to bed, I got a rush of motivation to put everything that I've got into the last months of game development before I'll have to go to the office. Honestly, lately I didn't spend as much time creating prototypes as I could have. That's because most of the time was spent waiting for review processes over and over again. But I have to remember just how amazing it would feel to finally create a hit game. This thought carried me on for years of game development without any results, and for these last several months I've tried to push myself to achieve it. I also try to upload more regularly, even as my videos don't get that many views. I will just record my everyday progress regarding game development, and I will start right after I finish making this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.